Hi everyone, this is the Legendary. I'm back again with more Lego Ninjago, the Cul's blaster bike. Gonna continue building this really quick. Oops, I'm a page ahead. So let's get back to it. My Lego Ninjago's brothers. I mean my Lego Ninjago brothers and sisters. Come on. Wow, I was actually able to snap it down, so. What does it say next? It says, peace on. Sorry if you can't see. Just you know. When you're trying to build something, you don't wanna inconvenience yourself, but or nor inconvenience the viewer. So you don't want to mess up the viewer. You might as well just mess up yourself. So I'm gonna mess up myself and help you guys out. So. Wow, that is just too tall. Poor Cole. He can't sit down. My brother can't sit down, man. That's just wrong. Uh-oh. It's gonna thunderstorm or something. What's it gonna do outside of my house? Make it just rain. Make it just rain. If it does more than rain and the power goes out, then I call it. It better not. Because that's just too much to handle. You know, doing a YouTube video here. This is for the world to see. And you guys are the world, so it's for all of you to see. I almost pressed pause by mistake. But now to do the same thing twice for some weird reason. Okay, no. So now I'm gonna have one. This thing looks different because of my awesome going forth skills or forward skills got me into some kind of trouble where I did twice and I couldn't have on the fan, but now I'm hot. Wow. Just too much. I can't have on the fan or I'll be crying in the video, so yeah, the air conditioner basically doesn't work. Come on. Somebody work for me. Work for me. Work for me. Work for me and Ronan. We accept dollar bills. The dollar bills. The dollar bill trio. It's the dollar bills. There. So I just hopefully didn't, press and shot one off. So now the blaster bike is more of like a blaster bike. Blaster trike. Okay, so enough. I'm already happy. I don't need to go on to make myself feel too good. I don't want to feel too happy about this. Not supposed to be happy. I'm actually kidding. I'm supposed to be happy while I'm building this. I paid for it. Paid for it. I need to love it, or oh wow, what is it doing outside? It's not some good conditions to be out there. Yeah. So if you hear some thunder, then that's outside. Thunder. So just to let you know, this video might not even be able to upload to YouTube. So I'm gonna tell everybody that if that one video just does not upload, so because of the stupid storm. I think it goes on like this, I hope. Hope so. Let's put that there. Oh, now this looks cool. So, now let's try and get to our speeder. Uh-oh. Sorry, guys, I'm losing ya. I'm losing some light here. So, just to let you know. Ah, 30%. What am I doing with my life? What am I doing with my life now? It's basically over. What am I doing with this? Okay. Be calm. Just keep calm and keep calm, carry on, and keep on building. Keep on building like people are supposed to do. Never rains, storms, or anything else. Just keep on building. If it rains, storms, or anything else, just keep on building. Rain, storms, or anything else, just keep on building. Okay. Keep on Building by the Legendary R. Called it. Okay, so now the thing is down to my favorite number, which is a bad thing right here. No, it's just gotta put on the best piece. This has gotta be the best piece. Okay, I think it goes on like that. Oh, now this is how you put on the hood. This is what you call a hood. Oh man, this thing just doesn't want to work. Okay, so I did, and now I have to put on some stickers. So I'm gonna be back with the stickers put on in a second. I just decided to put on the stickers. I'll show you. This one sticker goes there. Looking awesome, Cole. Well, you're gonna look awesome in this. And now we put some details on this. Put some details on this. Oh. Yep, I messed up now because all of them were the same. Guess all the stickers are not the same. Well, they tell you, they specifically tell you which ones to use, like 4. So this is where 3 goes. This is just weird. I'm not used to sticker instructions. Paper telling me what to do? No. Okay, maybe. Okay, yes. Everyone has to deal with this. Every single day of their lives. Paper telling you what to do? Nobody thinks of it that way. You need to. I mean, it's paper telling you what to do. Come on. Oh man, I messed up again. Oh well. I'll just deal with it. So, because I'm making this video too long, and I have to hurry up before the timer runs out. So I almost have enough time for the review. And the review is gonna be up whenever you need me. Okay. Okay, well that was just kidding. So the review will be up whenever you need me. So since I know that you're gonna come on, keep on bringing up these things. Oh, I've always liked these pieces. I've always liked to. Who doesn't really like gold? Who doesn't? Who doesn't like gold? No. Right. What? Okay. So. Come on. Come on, let's do this. Let's stick together and work together. Stick together and work forever. Come on. Come on. And now it's just gonna straighten out, but the piece can't be straightened, so I guess it's just gonna be trying to get it as perfect as I can. Ah, come on. I'm at 12 again. I don't know what is it with me and this thing here. So looks like I will not be doing a review of the blaster bike today, but I'm gonna be doing the review of the blaster bike, well, tomorrow after I go to sleep and probably wake up, which I will not wait to do. I'm not gonna wait that long. I has this many views so far. I gotta change that number because I know some people have watched some videos or something. So now I got some more stickers to apply, and I lost the stickers. Oh, they're there. They were in the, whatever, I'm just done. I'm done with this. I'm done with this. Stop applying me stickers, man. I want to stop applying these stickers. Come on. Oh, come on. Whenever you mess up with your stickers, I know doing it off camera is just, I keep on messing up, and when I mess up, you know what happens when you mess up, you get angry. Same thing with me. Same thing with me. I just wanted to prove that we're all the same. We're all in the same boat. We're all in the same boat. So whenever you mess up your stickers, you get mad, except for if you know, except for if you didn't really care and then just want to have some stickers on. So then you're all like, okay, just throw on some stickers. I wanna try this out. Try this out, bro. Okay, so do that for the other side. Yeah, I think it is done. Okay, just to be honest, I am not done. I know I'm not done. just want to be done. Okay, so now just one step ahead, like I always am. Well, not always. It's not to do one of the weirdest things in the world. Oh no! 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 Okay. Sorry for screaming. Sorry for screaming like a crazy person. Let's apply this sticker, and hopefully it could be a symbol for the newest American flag. What do you think? Newest American flag will be Cole's flag on the blaster bike. Approved by the legendary R himself. I have created a brand new law of the USA. I know a lot of people are not gonna like that law. So, yeah. There. Get your flag. And now they're telling me to use 16 studs, which just stack the rest of these golden studs on top of each other. And we're basically done with the whole set. So, everyone that is hearless. I want to tell you all that all of you are awesome for staying through the whole few videos I have done. And I'm just going to have to wait to do the review. Well, at this time I have not done the review. And I have not checked any notifications that I might have gotten. So yeah. Just the battery is low and just gotta get some things ready for my review of the set. I mean, I love a nice amount of things about this set, but I guess I'm just gonna have to tell you about it in the review, don't I? Yeah, I think it really should have came with the Aeroblade stand. Are you listening, Lego? Okay. That was all that I need to say about just the Aeroblade stand thing. So I think my brother should at least sit down. Why do you need to always stand up? Okay. So I guess that's about it. So like if you want, favorite if you want, and subscribe for more awesomeness. See you next time. Bye. Come on, Aeroblade. Okay. And I am proven to be... Okay, come on. Okay, come on. It's over. Like if you want, favorite if you want, and subscribe for more awesomeness. See you next time. Bye. And I'm proven to be legendary.